you doing? Hey, that's mine! Stop! Come back!
Wait, what? Oh, that's a baby. Wow, he's so small. Does he need help?
It's okay. I got you. You're stuck, huh? Don't worry, I'm helping.
It's warming up. It's okay, you're safe here. Good.
Alright. You're going back home. Go to your mom. You're okay now. That's your family. Take care of him.